Hi everyone, and welcome to the Vue Barcode Generator video. Using the barcode generator, you can produce machine-readable optical labels that store details about an item such as location, data, URLs, addresses, and more. In this video, I will show you how to add the Syncfusion Vue Barcode Generator to a Vue app. I will also explain how to configure a few barcode types, including QR codes and data matrices, and how to apply customizations like adjusting dimensions, colors, and fonts. Lastly, I will show you how to export the generated barcode as an image. I will start with the Vue application creation process using the Vue command. Make sure you have installed the latest versions of Vue and Node.js. To create a project in Vue, open Visual Studio Code and type the npm create Vue at latest command. And provide the app name, My Vue App. Next, choose Vue as the framework and JavaScript as the variant. After creating the Vue project, I navigate to the newly created Vue project and install the required dependencies using the npm install command. Now the application is configured with default settings of a Vue project. To use the Vue Barcode Generator component, install the Syncfusion Vue Barcode Generator package using the command npm install at syncfusion/ej2 Vue Barcode Generator --save. This command will install the Vue Barcode Generator package along with its dependencies. The first thing I must do here is to register the trial license key to use Syncfusion components. I open the main.js file and import the register license method from the Syncfusion ej2 base package. Using this method, I register the trial license key. To generate this license key, refer to the link in the description below. Next, I open the app.vue file and remove the default code. I import the barcode generator component from the Syncfusion Vue Barcode Generator package and register it globally along with its child directive. Inside the template tag, I am planning to render the barcode generator, QR code generator, and DataMatrix components. So let me add the division tag as a wrapper, and within it, I will define the J's barcode generator tag. To visualize the barcode, I set the value property and set its value to Syncfusion. I then set the custom height to 150 pixels and the width to 200 pixels. Now save the changes and run the application using the npm run dev command. See, the barcode is rendered with the value provided. Next, I will show you how to use the built-in barcode types. The supported types include code 39, code 39 extended, code 11, code 32, and others. Here, I set the type property to code 39 to support numbers 0 through 9, uppercase letters, and spaces. The default type of the component is code 128. Look, now the barcode is not rendered because I provided a value with proper casing characters. To display code 39 type barcode, I need to set the value with combination of uppercase and alphabets and numeric values. Now the barcode is rendered with the type code 39. Now I will show you how to customize the barcode color and text. To change the color, I set the forecolor property to blue. The barcode and value are shown in blue. To customize the text, I define the display text property within the data method and set the text as code 39 barcode. I assign this value to the display text property. check out the barcode. It displays custom text. Next, I will show you how to generate a QR code and DataMatrix. I import the QR code generator component from the Syncfusion Vue Barcode Generator package and register it globally along with its child directive. I add the QR code generator component by adding the JS QR code generator tag. All the properties in the barcode are applicable to the QR code except the type property. Let's copy and paste the height, width, value, and 4 color properties and their values. Here is the rendered QR code. If you want to customize the text, define the QR display text property within the data method and set the text as Syncfusion. I assign this value to the display text property. Check now, the QR code text is customized. Similarly, to create a data matrix, import the DataMatrix generator component from the Syncfusion Vue Barcode Generator package and register it globally along with its child directive. I add the JS DataMatrix generator tag, then set the height, width, value, and 4 color properties. See, the data matrix is rendered. Finally, I will show you how to export the barcode as an image. I am going to export the barcode on button click, so I will use the Syncfusion Vue button component. To use the button component, I will install the Syncfusion Vue button package using the npm install at syncfusion/ej2vue buttons --save command. After that, I import the button component and add the JS button tag. Next, I will set the button content to export. I add the click event and assign the callback function export image. And then I define the export image method. To uniquely identify the barcode generator component within the Vue application, I set the ID property to barcode. Inside the export image function, get the barcode generator component using the ID property and assign it to the barcode object. I define a variable and assign the instance to it. After that, using this barcode instance, call the built-in method exportImage with the file name and image type as arguments. Here, I specify the file name as Syncfusion image and set the export type as JPG. When I click this button, the barcode will be exported as an image. In this video, I have shown you how to add the Syncfusion Barcode Generator component to a Vue application, how to configure a barcode types, QR codes, and data matrices, and how to use customizations like dimensions, colors, and fonts. I also showed you how to export the generated barcode as an image. If you want to see a working example of this, you can download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key to use our Vue products through our community license. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.